Good morning students. In current electricity integrated video 11, in this one already we solved some numericals irrespective of that combination of resistances, color codes like this. Clear? Now some more circuits we want to be learned. There are, here I gave one circuit. In that circuit I want effective resistance between A and B. Effective resistance between A and B. Already in last video I told. What I told? Which point to which point we want to be measure the effective resistance. In that, so in that we need to be pass the current from A point and current will come out from B point. Now I will pass here current. This will end at this point. Now see here, at this junction, at A junction, now current will be split in 5 types like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I want to write as I1, I2, I3, okay. I1, I2, I3 here, I4 and here I5. Okay, now resistance also be given in this sum as, here they gave 3 ohms, here they gave 3 ohms, here they gave 6 ohms, here they gave 3 ohms, here 6 ohms, here 3 ohms, 6 ohms, here 3 ohms, here 3 ohms. Okay, now solve this equation. How can you solve? Very simple. Now we want to be close like A. From this side to this side. Why I want to be close like this? Because here current will come and end with here directly. Here if the current will pass here, from this point current will reach to here na, so the current will come in this direction. So here what we have the current I2 that must be comes along 3 ohms resistor. Here I3 is also will come to D point and again reached point will be B, so it will come to this point. Are you understand? Similarly, here I4 will be comes to E point and it will comes towards B point. Why? Because start at A and end with at B. Now, it will comes along this 3 ohms resistor, that current as I5, that I5 will be comes towards F and F will be comes towards B. Here you need to be observed one small point. What is that? Very simple. What we have the current here in 3 ohms resistor, the same current will flow here also be 3 ohms resistor. So in these 2 3 ohms resistors, current will be remains the same. Current flow must be remains same. If current flow must be remains the same, then they are called as a series. So these 2 are series combination. These 2 are series combination. So by using this one, what can I write now? Here we have AB. This point will be as A. This point will be as B. Okay. Now from A, here we have one circuit. Okay. Here also be one resistor. Here we have one more, and here it will come as like this, and here one more. Okay. It will come as like this. Now between A, B. Now C point, D point and E point. Where is F point? These 2 are effective as a series. In series combination, what you can write? RS equal to R1 plus R2. So 3 ohms plus 3 ohms. So how much it is? 6 ohms. Okay, where it is? RSF. RSF, effective resistance or equivalent resistance at F point. That is, how much it is? 6 ohms. Now here what we have? 6 ohms. So here 6 ohms, here 3 ohms, here 3 ohms, here 6 ohms, here also be 6, here 3 ohms, here 3 ohms. Now here I want to be connected this F point through F point. So between A and E, effect will be as a parallel same here. The effective resistance, what we can get? Here we can get 6. Now 6 ohms these two. Now between A and E point, these two are parallel. Why? Because current will be split here. In these two branches, the current will be splitted. When the current will be splitted, then what we can call? It is nothing but a parallel. Says or no? Already we discussed in parallel combination, current must be varied. In a series combination, current must be remains same. Clear? So here current must be varied. So it is parallel. Now these two are parallel. Then effective parallel. So which point? At E point. So RP at E point, that is okay, effective resistance of parallel at E point, that is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Already we wrote one formula. If two resistors are there in parallel, what we wrote the formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. If not, one more formula is there. What is that? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. What you can write in that two? Choice is yours. Now, effective resistance of parallel at E point RP equal to, here what we have? 6. Okay, so both are identical. Identical means in shortcut what you can write? R by N. If you can write like that, no problem. Here how many there are? 2. So R by N, that means 6 by 2. How much? 3 ohm. If not, supply circuit here. 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, 12. 6 here, 2 times, 2 here, 3 times. Clear? If not, directly you can write as one more shortcut. Shortcut, what that? For that shortcut, simply RP at E point, that is R by N. If they are equivalent. Okay? Both are equal resistances. Then R by N. Okay? Now, RP at E point, that is 3 ohms. Now this 3 ohms here I want to be write. How this circuit will be become now? Between A and B we have one resistor that are 3 ohm. This is a B point, this is A point. Now current will pass from A point. Okay, now another resistance will be like this. So here it is a C point, here also be 3 ohms, here also be 6 ohms. Okay, now one more junction we have, that is D point. Now current will be, how they will split here, see that? Now the point will be as a D. Okay, up to D. Now E point is also be there. Now here the resistance will be comes like this and comes up to here. Now this is 3 ohms. This is E point. Now between A and E, these two are parallel combination. These two are series combination. Say yes or no? So these two are series combination. Why? Because the current will be remains the same in these two. Okay, this I5 will be flow as the same I5 from this one. So these two are series. Now these two are parallel. Are you understand clearly? Very simple. Here current must be constant, so series. Here current must be varied, so parallel. Clear? Now these effective will be treated as one between A and E, that is here. Now effective how much you have? 3 ohms you can get. Now I want to be write as a 3 ohm. So first arms will be closed. Clear? Similarly, we need to be folded. Up to we will reach here. See that? Once how you fold, remaining all you can follow the same methods. Now here see that? Here current will be as I1. Here current will be as I2. If current I will be I here. Now here current will be as I3. And here current will be as I4. Previous what you wrote here, same I4. Clear? This 6 will be become as now effective as 3. Are you understand? Don't get confused. Now I4 current will be pass here and the same I4 will be come to here. Now these two are series. Same model. So these two are become 6. Say yes or no? Now next circuit I want to be right here. This is A point. This is I current. Between A and B we have 3 ohms. Here it is a B point. Okay. Now here it is a C point. Okay. In between one more 3 ohms resistor. Here 6 ohms resistor. Now between D point and C point one more resistance. It is 3 ohms. And here 6 ohms. Now the current will be same in A to E and E to D. So these two are in series. In series, effective resistance will be same formula. R1 plus R2. If they are two identical, then 2R. Clear? 2 into 3, how much? Again 6. R3 plus 3. How you write? No problem. Clear? Now 3 plus 3, 6. Now 6, 6. Okay, now I want to be write as here same at D point through E point. This is also be 6 ohms. Now 6, 6. Here current as I1, here current as I2, here current as I3 and here current as I4. Now I3, I4 current will be split. So these two are become parallel. These two are become parallel. Are you follow? Now parallel combination we will follow the same. Clear na? Now instead of these two, next circuit I want to be write as here it will A to B, the current will I here, current will come out as from B like this. Now B to C point, the current will be as I1, okay, here I1 current, here I2 current at C point and C to B point it is 3 ohms. Next from C to D. Now these all effective as 1, that is 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6 are 2 equivalent, that means 6 by 2, so it is 3 ohms. Now that D point, here we have D point, here we have 3 ohms resistor, between here also B, it will be become as 3 ohms. Clear? 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 arm, we will close. Now these two are again series. Why? Because now current will be as here I3. Now what the current will becomes as I3, here also with the current will be I3. Now current will be same. So here it must be series. Series means 2R or R1 plus R2. How you write? Now this circuit I want to be write again here. Okay, now between A and B, this is A and B, here we have one resistor, this point A and this point B, okay, here current I will be passed, so here in this resistor the current will be I1, okay, here 3 ohms resistor, clear that? Now here one more we have, that is up to C point, this is also be 6 ohms, here also be 6 ohms, clear? Between C point to B point we have 3 ohms resistor, like this. Now between A to C, these two are series, effective will be become as 1, that is, okay, 3 plus 3 how much series? 6 ohms. So this 6 ohms will comes here directly. This 6 ohms will be comes here directly. Now see the currents from this point, it will be split as I1, here it is as I2 and in this one I3. So at A point between A and C, current will be split, then these two are treated as a parallel combination. These two are treated as a parallel combination. Identical. So how you write the effective? Next circuit will be, this is A and B. Okay, in between A and B we have 3 ohms. Now from A point I will pass the current. Okay, these effective will be become as here 3 ohms. This is effective. Okay, up to C point. Now from C to B it is also be 3 ohms. Again if you be flow, if you be considered, see that here current will become, it will be split as I1 and here I2. Now I2 current will be flow here and here also be same I2 current. Are you follow? What the current will become here and it will comes to down again here. So here I2 current here also be, it will be treated as I2. Are you follow? Then these two are series. Then these two are series. So series effective how much? 3 plus 3 how much? 6. Okay, calculation same. These two are repeated because of same resistances we have in this circuit. Clear? Now these two are series. So I will write that this is I. It is a point A and between A and B we have 3 ohms resistor. Okay. Now effective of these two along C. That means it is nothing but I want to write here as like this. It is a 6. Okay. It is a 6. Now these two are, is it series or parallel? Here current as I1 and here current as I2. Is the current will split at A point or not? A point. It will be split. Then it will be treated as parallel but different resistances. See that? Here 3 ohms effective will be become as 6 ohms. Here 3 ohms, here effective will be become as 6 ohms. Here only it will change a little. Then see that, very simple. Effective resistance between A and B, that is R1 R2 by R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. Then how can you write that? PRAB, that equals to effective resistance between between AB. Now 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, how much it is? So RAB, that equal to 6 into 3. I will write as same 6 into 3 by 9. 9 here 3 times in 9. It will get cancelled. So 3 will be here in 6 or 2 times. So final answer RAB, effective resistance between AB, how much it is? 2 ohms. How much it is? 2 ohms. Circuit will be one by one. We will solve slowly. Okay, this is circuit here. How it will be? First circuit, first we need to take these two series. Then what will be comes as effective, that will be parallel to this one. These two are parallel. So effective will come as here 1. That will be using in this circuit. Now these two are again series. Okay, these two are effective will becomes as here. Now these two are parallel. Okay, now parallel effective will come as here. That is here. Clear? That 3 again it will be as a series. Again it will be become parallel. Okay, now parallel will be become as here 1. Okay, now these two are series. Okay, if these 3 are equal, one more shortcut is there. If these 3 are in a triangle form, here up to here if you become we will solve one more method. If 3 resistors are like this, okay, at any one adjacent side of a triangle, effective resistance R effective equal to 2 by 3 R. What you can write? The formula 2 by 3 R. Okay, now R value here all are equal 3. Are you understand? From directly here I want to write as shortcut. Are you follow clearly? After this one it is as in triangle shape. In triangle effective resistance what you can write? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 R value will be as 3. So R effective equal to 2 by 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled. So final answer R effective between A and B, that is 2 ohms. After this circuit directly you can write a shortcut or write like this. Both are same. Okay. Are you follow clearly? Good. Next one is, see here one more circuit, that is each and every resistance will be has 1 ohm. Okay. Now between A and B, what is the effective resistance? What is the effective resistance between A and B? Then how can you solve these? Very simple. If you want to be pass the current here I, that current will be as here split as I1 and here as I2. Now here this I1 current will be again comes here and split, then after the current will be comes here. Here we need to be know one small point. What is that? What the current here in this resistor and here also be same. That means what the current will be flow here, that will be comes here and move upside. Then after these two are add as here, again it will be become as I1 and here the current will be as I2. Finally we can get current I. Why I am telling these all? It is nothing but symmetric. Okay. The current will be here split what the I1, that will be split into two. That the same current will be here, junction is there, but what we need to be remember, upon these two the current will be remains the same. Okay, so the total current what will be here splitted, that will be flow again and like this in this direction. So here what they split, suppose I3 I4, again here I3 and I4 it will add as I1, same. Are you follow? So this circuit is known as symmetric. Here common potential point. Okay. So along this AB, the potential difference will be same. Okay. So I2 here same and here also be I2 same. Or I will tell one more way to understand easily. Now this I want to be take to upside. Then the same circuit it will visible as like this. Observe that. Okay. Here what we have this triangle shape, that must be I want to be placed from here to here. So remaining circuit as usual. Okay. Clear na? Now it is A point. From that A point we have one resistor and in middle here O point and here one more resistor B and here it will comes like this. This point will be B. Here current will enter at A junction and leave at B junction. Here the same circuit, how can I write? I understand. If you want to be take to up, it will be visible like this. Very simple. Why? Because here potential does not vary. That's why what the splitted current here, that will be passed across this resistance. Clear? So we need to be solve this very simply. That is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. These are all in triangle shape. So in triangle shape already we know one shortcut. What is that? 2 by 3 R. When they are equal. Okay. So upon these all 2 by 3 R. That 2 by 3 into R, it is nothing but 1 ohm. So effective resistance of these 3, nothing but how much? 2 by 3. Now that 2 by 3, I want to be write as here A and here B. Now from A point one more resistor and here upon these 3, substitute of these 3 I will place as 1, that is 2 by 3 ohm. This is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is also be 1 ohm and here this is also be 1 ohm. This point will be B. Now these 3 are series. Are you observed? Why? Because here current will be split when it is passed from A. Okay. Now what the splitted current? It must be passed through 1 ohm. Similarly 2 by 3 ohm. Similarly 2 by 3 ohm and 1 ohm. So current will be remains the same. Then it is called series. In series combination, RS equal to what you can write? R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1. So how much? 3 LCM. So here 3 plus 2 plus 3. Total 6, 8 by 3 ohm. Now 8 by 3. Here both are in series because of here what the splitted current. Here and here same. So these two are also be series. So in this series, this I will treat it as RS1. This is I will treat it as RS2. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 ohms. Now finally, what can I write? Here from A point, now one resistor will be, effective resistor will be as RS1. That is value how much it is? 8 by 3 ohm. And one more from A to B. In between, one more resistor, that is 2 ohm. Clear? That is 2 ohm. This is RS2. What we can show in the diagram. Clear? Now, these two are, here current will be split. When current will be varied, the combination is said to be as parallel. So, then what we can write? So effective RP equal to R between AB. Parallel combination means what you can write? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What is R1 value here? 8 by 3. What about R2 value here? 2. Then RAB equals to what you can write? 8 by 3 into 2 by 8 by 3 plus 2. Then solve this one. 8 2s are 16. So 16 by 3 by, here if you will take LCM, that is 3. Now 3 will be here, 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 8, how much it is? 6 plus 8, it is 14. Okay, now 3 get a cancel. Then remaining RAB equal to, what you can write? 16 by 14, it is nothing but 2 will cancel here as 8 times, here as 7 times. So 8 by 7. Okay. This is the final answer. Resistance between RAB equal to 8 by 7. Suppose if you want to create the shortcut, I want to be take it instead of these 1 ohm, I will take it as R, here also be R, here also be R. Then how can I write? If you want to take this one, then these are all nothing but 2 by 3 R. Okay, then here I want to write as a 2 by 3 R. Clear? Because of shortcut. For triangle it will be 2 by 3 R. Remember. Now these 3 are R, 2 by 3 R. Here also be R. Okay. If you want to be take it as R like that, just I am giving one shortcut for you. If you know the subject, you can create the shortcuts. Then R plus R plus R plus. Here so R, here R, here R. Totally here by 3. Then 3R, 2R, here 3R. Then total it will be 8R by 3. Here R plus R, totally 2R. I understand? Now here 8R by 3, here 2R. Now both are in parallel. Then 8R by 3, 2R, here R, here R. Now 16R square, here I am writing 16R square by 3. Same. Here if you want to take here 3 2s are 6, 6R plus 8R, 14R by 3. Now 3 will get a cancel, 1R will get a cancel. Then 16R by 7. Then 2 will cancel like this. Then final answer 8 by 7 R. Simply 8R by 7. How you write? Okay, this is the shortcut. The same circuit I will solve one more way. How it is? Very simple. Now I have a resistance at A and this point will be O. I will treat it. Okay. This will be as 1 ohm and here one more B. That is 1 ohm. Okay, here B. Now here from here 1 more ohm and here 1 ohm and here 1 ohm and and here 1 ohm, and here 1 ohm. These are all 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm like this. Okay, now very simple point. Here potential does not vary. Here how much current will come? It will be comes to upside. Why? Because in these two symmetric circuits, in these two current will be flow similarly. Then previous I plugged here to upside. Say yes or no? Or one more way, I will cut it to half, exact half. Then this portion becomes series. Say yes or no? How can you solve? You can solve easily. Now if you be cut here, then here resistance will be become the same circuit. I will write here. Only half circuit I am writing. This is A, okay, up to O point, and this is 1 ohm. Okay, this is 1 ohm, and this is also be 1 ohm, and here what we cut? This is nothing but half ohm. Up to here I cutted that. Say yes or no? Now current will be, if you want to be observe the current flow in the circuit, this current will be split here and here. What the current will come here, again it will split here. Then these two are parallel. Then these two are parallel. Then what you can write? So parallel effective equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Then what you can write? 1 by 2 RP equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So how much it is? RP equal to here 3 by 2 downside. If you take LCM, here upside 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Final answer will be as 1 by 3 ohm. Okay, for these two effective. Now the same circuit I will convert it as. Now it is A 1 ohm from A to O. Okay. Here I have one more 1 ohm, and here I have 1 by 3 ohm. Now these two are what the current will pass here. Here also be same. Now these two are said to be series. In series combination, what you can write? R1 plus R2. Here what we have? 1 plus 1 by 3. So total how much it is? 4 by 3 ohm. How much it is? 4 by 3 ohm. If you take LCM here, 3 plus 1 how much? 4 by 3. Clear? Now these two are at A point. Okay, from A point now it is 4 by 3 ohm, and it is now 1 ohm. These two are parallel again. So parallel again means RP equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That is 4 by 3 into 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. Then RP equal to what you can write? 4 plus 1. If you take LCM downside 3, then 4 plus 3 it is nothing but 7. At the top it will be become as the same 4 by 3. Here 3 will get cancelled. So final answer 4 by 7. So up to half. This portion will be 4 by 7 ohm resistance. Effective all. By calculating these all we can get 4 by 7. And here also be 4 by 7. These two are series. So series combination what you can write? So RS equal to R effective of first one plus R effective of second one. Both are in series. So 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. How much it is? 8 by 7. This is the answer. How you solve? The circuits will gives the same answers. Okay. One is I plugged this circuit to top. Why? Because symmetry circuit. Here in these two resistors our current will be same. Okay. Here the potential does not vary. Here potential will be become 0. Clear? Now, if you want to be split to half, it is also be same. Clear? These are all a little bit difficult circuits. While solving, try to be understand. Clear? Are you follow or any doubt? Okay, good. Similarly, I will give one more circuit to continue this one. Okay. See here, one more circuit. Just I continued the downside also be same. Now I will take each and every resistance as R same along the circuit. Now what we said same. If you want to be plug upside here, if you want to be plug downside, you can solve like that. R. These are all symmetric. At this point the potential will be become 0. So these are all called symmetric circuits. So I will cut the exact half. While I cut the half, then the circuit will be become, this is A point, this is R ohm resistance, and here also be R ohm, and at this point what we have? At this point we have here to here R ohm, and here cutted that circuit will be as become R by 2. Are you understand? Now this R by 2 will comes to here, that is nothing but these two are parallel. Similarly downside it is nothing but R, okay, and it is nothing but capital R, and cutted will be as R by 2. Are you understand? Now these two are parallel. These two are parallel. If it is parallel, then what you can write? Rp equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Then R by 2 into R by 2 plus R. Then what you can write? R square by 2 by, here if you take LCM, 2R plus R, how much it is? 3R by 2. This 2 will get a cancel. 1R get a cancel. Then Rp equal to, what you can write? R by 3. So this effect will become as R by 3 now. This effect is also will become R by 3. Clear? So for this one, continue here. I am continuing that is A point. Here one resistor, that is R, and here one resistor, that is R, and here one resistor, that is R by 3 effective. Okay, here also be same, it is R, and here R by 3. Okay, in that half circuit only I am saying that. Okay, now these two are series. Why? Because here what the current, it will be same. Now these two are series. In a series combination, Rs equal to, what you can write? R1 plus R2. So R plus R by 3. How much it is? So Rs equal to LCM. If you take LCM, then 3R plus R by 3. Total Rs equal to, what you can write? 4R by 3. Clear? Clear na? Now this circuit will be become, here also be 4 by 3, here also be 4 by 3 R. So how can I write now? Now I will solve this one as here one is at A, that is R, and one more is at now it is as 4R by 3, and one more it is as 4 by 3 R. Okay, sorry, 4R by 3. Clear? Now these 3 are in which combination? It is a parallel combination. So in a parallel combination, what you can write? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Then 1 by Rp equal to, what you can write? Here first resistor as 4R by 3. So 1 by 4R by 3 plus 1 by R plus 1 by 4R by 3. Now this 3 will move up, this 3 will move up. Then 1 by Rp equal to 3 by 4R plus 1 by R plus 3 by 4R. Now 4R take LCM. Okay. Now here what we have, same 3. Here only we have R. Less will be as 4 times. So 1 will be become multiply with 4, then 4 plus 3. Total it will be as 10 by 4R. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So here for the half portion, how much we have the resistance between A point to O point? We have a effective resistance, that is how much it is? Here it is 1 by Rp. From that Rp equal to, what you can write? 4R by 10. Don't forget this. If you confuse, answer will get wrong. Okay. Now here 4R by 10. and one more between O to B point. This is also be 4R by 10. Now these two are in series. Then how can you write 4R by 10 plus 4R by 10? Total LCM as 10. Then 4R plus 4R, total 8R. If you cancel the 2 here, 4 times here, 5 times. Then final effective resistance between A to B, that is 4 by 5 into R. Okay. Suppose R value, if they will give 1 ohm, it will be, answer will be as a 4 by 5. If it will be as a 2 ohms, 4 by 5 into 2 ohms. That means 8 by 5, like that. Clear? For that last circuit, it is a continue. Clear now? Next one is, in this problem, see that, determine the current drawn from 12 volt supply. Here, how much the supply given? 12 volt. With internal resistance 0.5 ohm. Clear? With internal resistance 0.5 ohm. In this infinite circuits, here they are continuous given. That means the circuit is infinite circuit. These are all infinite circuits. Then first we need to be measured. First we want to be measured that infinite circuit effective resistance. Then after, by applying Ohm's law, we will measure the current here. Very, very simple. According to Ohm's law, what you can write? V equal to IR. From that, I equal to what you can write? V by R. But here the resistance is nothing but a total resistance in the circuit. So V by R total resistance. Clear? For this one, first we want to be measure effective resistance in this circuit. So infinite circuit means here we need not to be close. Okay? So we cannot measure this one. That's why simply up to here what we have the circuit. This I will treat it as X. Then the circuit will becomes here 1 ohm, here 1 ohm, okay, here 1 ohm, here a 12 volt battery and a 0.5 ohm resistance, internal resistance. Now up to here what we have, we don't know, that's why I want to be write as here X. Now these two are, in which combination it is? Parallel combination. Why? See here, current will flow here and at this point, what happened? The current can get split, varied. When current can get varied, then what you can write? These two are in parallel combination. So Rp equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the parallel combination effective resistance formula. So what you can write now? Rp equal to 1 into X by 1 plus X. So finally X by 1 plus X. You can write like this. So instead of these R, now I will draw one more circuit to understand easily. This is 1 ohm and this is also be 1 ohm, and here now it is nothing but Rp, that is X by 1 plus X. That is X by 1 plus X. Okay. Now these three resistors are to this 12 volt power supply with 5 ohms battery. Now how these combination? How can you represent? What the current flow from positive terminal of the battery? Now the current I will be flow here and here and here. That means current will be flow remains same. Current must be flow remains same. Then these three are said to be as in series. Previous these are all parallel combination. This is a series combination. Okay. Now this is a series combination. Then in series combination, Rs equal to what you can write? R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is 1 ohm plus, instead of R2 what we have? X by 1 plus X plus 1. Totally 2 plus X by 1 plus X. Now take out LCM. Here it will become as 1 plus x. So here it will come as 2 into 1 plus x plus x. Here it is nothing but r effective is we can read it as x. Then this one will come this side. Then x into 1 plus x is equal to here multiply 2 plus 2x plus x. Okay, now x will multiply here. Then it will become x into 1 x. So x into 1 x plus x into x square that equal to 2 plus 3x. Because of here 2x plus x. Total 3x. Clear? Now this 3x will come to this side. It will become minus. Okay. Now x square minus 3x plus x plus minus 2 equal to 0. Now it will become as x square minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Now measure the roots for it. If roots will come directly, then you can solve directly. If not, what we can use? To measure the factors, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Now here a value will be 1, b value will be minus 2 here. Okay. C value will be minus 2. Then minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this one you can substitute here. Then what you can write? Minus b. So minus 2. So minus of minus 2 plus or minus under root b square minus 2 square minus 4ac. 4 into a value 1, c value minus 2 by 2a, 2 into 1. Clear? Minus of minus it will become plus, so plus 2 plus or minus under root minus 2 square, that is nothing but 4 minus into here also be 1 minus is there. So minus into minus it will become as a plus 4 into 2 it will become 8. By downside at 2. Now 2 plus or minus under root 12 by 2. 12 how can you measure the root? Nothing but 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Say yes or no? Now I want to be right. Under root 3 into 4 by 2. This 4 will come to outside. Then 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. Now 2 take out common from all. So 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So now the roots are, first root is 1 plus root 3 and one more is 1 minus root 3. Here 1 plus root 3 means 1 plus 1.732. That is nothing but 2.732. This is the resistance. Here 1 minus 1.732 it will come as a negative. Negative resistance not there. Say yes or no? So this we can neglect. So this will be neglect. Now how much resistance, effective resistance in the circuit we measured? 2.732. Now current in the circuit, current I equal to V by R plus R. R effective plus R. Why I wrote here I R plus R? Because of cell is also we have some internal resistance. R total equals to, here I am writing R total equals to R effective plus internal resistance small r. That's why I wrote here. Actually what we wrote formula V by R total. R total means R effective plus R. Okay. Now I equal to, what about the voltage? How much we have the cell? It draws 12 volts, so 12 by R effective. How much here? Already we measured. This is called R effective. How much it is? 2.732. 2.732 plus internal resistance 0.5. Then I equal to 12 divided by, if you want to be add this one, then it will become as here 2, here 3, 5 to 12, here 3 point. Okay. Now what is the answer? Final answer we can get as 12 by 3.232. It will give us as 3.73 amps. This is the final answer. 3.73 amps. Clear? See here, very simple circuit here given. This is a NEET bit. In the previous years in NEET they asked this one. What is that? They are giving here one small triangle. Triangle means effective resistance already in shortcut. What we wrote? In short form. What we wrote? 2 by 3 R. So R value how much here? 2 by 3 into 3 ohms. Because of each and every resistance have 3 ohms. Now 3 will get cancelled. Then effective resistance R effective equal to 2 ohms. Now what we can measure here? Current. Okay. Very simple. Current in the circuit. Current I equal to what you can write? V by R effective. Because of here internal resistance of the cell is negligible. That condition also be given here. See that? Negligible internal resistance. Negligible internal resistance. Then how can you measure? Now current I equal to V value. Voltage how much applied? 3 volt. Now effective resistance how much it came? That is 2. Now 3 by 2. That is I equal to 1.5 amp. Okay. If not, if I want to be right in short process form, then see that here current will be comes here I. Now I will be split here and as I1 and here I2. The same I2 current will become here this point and again it will come towards the battery side. Yes or no? Then the same I2 current also be flow here. Now these two are same current will be flow in these two resistors. Yes or no? What the current will be flow here in this resistor, same here also be same. Then these two are said to be series. Then in series combination what you can write? R1 plus R2. So 3 plus 3 that is 6 ohms. Now the circuit will modified as here one resistor that is 3 ohm and at these 2 points we have one more resistor that is effective what we measured now 6 ohms. These 6 ohms and 3 ohms both are get parallel. Then Rp equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. How much it is? Rp equal to 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. How much it is? 9. So here 3 times, here 2 times. Clear? Now total effective resistance R effective equal to how much you get? 2 ohms. If you want to measure this shortcut, instead of that, if you want to made this procedure, it will take a little bit of time. But in objective, we required very less time to solve the problems. Clear? So remember these all. Okay? This is shortcut, and for the triangle, that shortcut if they are equivalent only. All resistors must be equivalent. Clear? Then only we can use this shortcut. Clear? Okay, good. Remaining we will see in the next video.